Hi guys, so today we'll be solving this problem called maximum level sum of a binary tree. In this problem, we've been given the root of a binary tree. The level of its root is 1, the level of its children is 2, and so on. Return the smallest level x such that the sum of all values of node at x level is maximal. So basically what we need to do is we've been given this binary tree and this is level 1, this is level 2, and this is level 3. The sum of the first level is 1, sum of the second level is 7, and sum of the third level is, this is minus 8. The third level is minus 1, right? So what we need to do is we need to return the level such that the one which is having the maximum sum on that level, right? So maximum sum of out of these three is 7, right? So 7. So we return level 2 as the answer. Let's go to the second example. It's not been drawn here, but uh, I will take a random example where we have 0, 3, minus 3, 8, minus 8, 7, and 1, like that, right? So this is level 1, this is level 2, and this is level 3. The sum here is 0, sum here is 0 as well, 3 minus 3, and sum here is 8 minus 8 0 plus 7 plus 1, which is 8, right? So maximum level which is having the maximum sum is this one, so we return 3 as the answer. So how we can solve this problem is simple. We'll do a BFS, which is breadth first search, on each level, and via BFS we'll know the sum on each node, right? Each level, sorry. And on each level we'll create a variable such that that will track the maximum sum out of all the levels, and also a variable called max level which will track the maximum sum of level which is so far, right? So we'll have two things. One is the maximum sum variable which will track the maximum sum out of the all the levels, and the other will be a max level which will track the maximum level of all the tree. So let's get to the coding part in order to understand this better. Let's get to the coding part. First of all, I'll check if root is null, then I just return, right? I return nothing. I return 0, right? And then I have this queue which I'll create. So queue, dq, which will have root in it, right? And I'll have two things. So one is max sum of level, right, which will be initialized to minus infinity, and max level, which will also be 0 currently, and also level, we'll keep it to 0, right? Let's get to the BFS traversal. So first of all, we'll count the length of the queue, and I'll run the for range in count. I'll run a level BFS traversal on the queue, and I'll iterate through the queue. I'll first of all pop out the element, and if current dot left exists, then I append it in the queue, and if current dot right exists, then q dot append the current dot right, right? And moving forward, we'll also need to update the level value, right? So level plus 1, right? We need to update that. And then, yeah, once that's done, we'll have, yeah, two things. So one is we need to get the, we need to store the maximum level. So this will be here before that, before the iteration of the level. So we need to track the sum of the level, right? So I'll do maximum sum of level plus the current value, right? And yeah, actually I'll need to create another sum of current value that will be used for tracking, not this maximum sum of level will be used for getting the maximum sum. sum of current level will be the local variable which will be used here. So yeah, after that, I'll just check if sum of current level is greater than maximum sum of level, then I'll update the maximum sum of level to sum of current level, and also maximum level will be updated to the level right now, right? Yeah, and that would be it. And then in the end, I'll just return the max level as the answer. Cool. So let's run the code to see if everything is working fine. But before that, yeah, this is how we're going to solve. So we'll create two global variables. One is for tracking the maximum level, one for tracking the maximum sum of level, and we'll iterate through the queue, BFS traversal, and yeah, it will be actually going through each level, taking the current sum of that level, comparing it with the maximum sum. If it's greater, then I'll update the maximum level also, and I'll return the maximum level. Let's run the code. Yeah, that works. Cool. I hope you guys understood the problem. Thank you so much.